Hiya, it's time for my July, I can't remember what month it was then, July GLOSSYBOX reveal. I love this box. It's not like a lidded one like they normally are. It's like a lift top with a magnet. Love it. Loving the pattern too. All nicely printed. So get your magazine, leaflet thing as always. And let's see what we've got. Do love all the beachy vibes for this one. So we have got, I'm going to have to refer to the leaflet for this one, I think, a Belvita baked bar, an MCO Beauty cheek and lip tint, blendable, quick drying, in flamingo pink. Love that. Oh, cruelty free and vegan too. Then we've got, oh god, not sure how to pronounce that, some body fragrance mist. Oh, my new doorbell's talking to me. And then we've got Kinda Beauty bronzer, also cruelty free and vegan. Let's have a look at this one. Oh, look at that, it's pretty. And then we've got some Foam O apple and starfruit shower steamer. Oh, I've seen loads of people talking about these, and I haven't tried them yet, so I'm excited to give this one a go. So this one is also vegan, with a do not eat warning on it. Yeah, I'm excited to try that because I keep seeing people talking about them. And then what's this? Ilamasca, I think that's what it says. Hydrovel rehydrating gel. Again, it's vegan. Let's have a look at this. Oh, it's got a pretty little tub, look. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh, guessing it's just like a face mask. We'll have a little read about that one. What a cool little box again. Pop it all back in. So that is the July box. And there's your leaflet with all your details in. I will pop all the details up on the blog. Oh my god, I love this box. I said how much I love this box. It's so cute. And I'll pop all the details on the blog so you can have a read, and I'll also drop the link in case you want to order. Bye for now.